Imagine waking up to find your bank account drained, your emails hijacked, and your personal data sold on the dark web, all because of AI. Scary? Well, it's happening right now. Alright, let's play a game. Your password, let me guess. Is it 123456? Is it password your pet's name with a random 99 at the end? Yes, hackers love you. But here is the real problem. Hackers don't even need to guess anymore because AI, it's basically cheating. This isn't some hacker in a hoodie mashing a keyboard like a 90s movie. AI is cracking passwords, faking voices, and literally outsmarting humans, all in a matter of seconds. So how bad it is? Stick around because by the end of this video, you might want to burn your laptop and move to a cave. Remember when hacking used to be like an actual work, typing in random passwords, hoping one sticks? Yes, not anymore. Now AI can crack weak passwords in under a second. Literally, a recent study fed AI 100 million leak passwords and it cracked 90% of them within minutes. And if you think using this password makes you a cybersecurity genius, bless your heart. AI sees right through that too. AI doesn't just crack passwords, it steals them. Alright, you are safe, right? Strong password, lockdown account, cool. But what if I told you AI can impersonate your boss, your mom, or your bank and trick you into handing over your credentials? Enter AI powered phishing. Hackers are now using ChatGPT like model to craft the most convincing scam emails. AI isn't just typing emails anymore, it's talking. Yes, that's not your CEO calling, that's a deep fake. In 2020, an AI generated voice tricked an employee into wiring $35 million and you thought scam calls were bad. If AI phishing wasn't bad enough, hackers are now using AI powered malware to watch every keystroke you make. Yes, keyloggers just got a turbo boost. Yes, AI enhanced keyloggers can literally predict what you will type next based on your typing patterns. It's like having a stalker but digital, invisible, and way too smart. And if that's not enough, AI driven spyware can literally hijack your webcam and screen without you knowing. Yes, go ahead and put a piece of tape over the webcam. So how to stay safe from AI powered hacks? Alright, so how do you stop AI from playing hackers on hard mode with your data? Number one, ditch weak passwords. Use a paraphrase instead. Battery horse staple is better than password 123. Number two, password manager exists for a reason. They generate and store long, unguessable passwords. And no, writing them on sticky notes does not count. Number three, use multi-factor authentication and not the SMS. Hackers can AI bypass SMS authentication. Use an app-based authenticator instead. Watch out for deepfake scams. If your boss suddenly asks for a wire transfer, maybe and just maybe call them back first. And speaking of security, if you're not using a good VPN, you are practically broadcasting your password on a Times Square billboard. I personally use NordVPN because it encrypts your data and keeps your browsing history private. Link in the description if you want to stay safe. So here's the deal. AI hacking is only getting worse. Today it's stealing your password. Tomorrow, who knows, maybe it will file your tax returns and steal your refunds. If you have learned literally anything today, do me a favor, like this video so more people can stay safe online, and drop a comment. What's the worst password you have ever used? No shame, this is a judgment free zone mostly. And if you are not already subscribed, hit the button before AI hack my channel.